Alright guys, 2008 Volvo D13 cranks but don't start. Not showing any codes. No help whatsoever to figure this out. What we're doing here is when you switch the ignition on, everything clicks, all the lights work. Hear your ABS modules clicking, the relays clicking, letting you know that the ignition switch is doing its job by sending power to all of that stuff. But the problem here is when I go to crank it, everything dies while in the cranking position. Let it go, it comes back on as if you've just turned the ignition on. Now I've struggled off and on for about 3 damn days on this truck trying to figure it out. Show you again. Because I hope like hell somebody watches this video and it's able to help them, because I was highly unsuccessful finding any help at all. It's not the starter relays. Replaced all that shit. Still does it. The problem is this fucker right here. The computer. AKA the brains. Replace the computer and it cranks fine. I would show you and prove you that it cranks fine, but I still have the old one on it because I had to get the new one reprogrammed. But believe me, you have this issue, replace your computer. Hope this helps. Have a great day.